Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get a free credit card for Discord Nitro. First, go to your web browser and search for Skrill. After that, click on Skrill.com, a virtual wallet for money transfer. Once you're in, click on the register on the top right. Now you'll need to register your personal account. Go ahead and enter all the information they are asking for. Enter your first and last name. Then add up the country and currency. After that, enter your email address and select a strong password. You'll need to continue the terms and conditions and then click on Register. Once you're done, you will be able to access a free virtual credit card which you can use for online shopping, and you can use that to get free Discord Nitro. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.